Hi friends! Today we will learn delicious fruits. Look, the tiny blank ants are bringing the fruit. What is this fruit? Do you know this fruit? It's long and yellow. Yes, it is a banana. B is for banana. Let's make the sound. B, banana. Look, this is a banana tree. There are so many bananas on the tree. Let's pick one and yum, taste it.
Yummy.
Delicious. Bananas are so good. Look, the ants are back. Oh my, this one is huge. What is this fruit? Do you know this fruit? It is green and round. Yes, it's a watermelon. W is for watermelon. Let's make the sound. W, watermelon. Look at the watermelon plant. Let's taste it.
This tastes so good.
It's juicy and delicious. Look, our little ant friends are carrying the new fruit. Do you know this fruit? It is bright, red, and crunchy. Yes, it is an apple. A is for apple. Let's make the sound. A, apple, apple. Look, this is an apple tree. Let's pick one and taste it.
So delicious.
Yummy. It's crunchy and yummy. Apple makes us strong. Look. What fruit is this? Do you know this fruit? It's small and red. Yes, it is a strawberry. S is for strawberry. Let's make the sound. S, strawberry. Look at the strawberry plant. There are sweet strawberries waiting for us.
This is my favorite fruit.
Juicy, so sweet. Look closely one more time. Let's see if you know this one. What fruit is this? It is green. Yes, it is a pear. P is for pear. Let's make the sound. P, pear. Look, this is a pear tree. Let's pick one.
It's juicy and sweet. I love pears.
How does it taste? It's soft, sweet, and yummy, right? You did wonderful today, friends. We learned so many fruits. See you next time. Bye-bye.